Hi there and welcome to Croft Production Systems. I'm Eric Gorka, the service manager.
Hi, and I'm Sarah Murray, our inside sales representative here at Croft, and we are excited to officially launch our new Croft's new glycol analysis program.
Yes, this is a great program we're adding to our services. I've been with Croft for 10 years now in the field and in the office, and this is a great benefit for us and our clients. Using this program, you can catch any unseen issues with your triethylene glycol unit, such as high chlorides, which can create hot spots and eventually shut your unit down.
Yes, sir. You are able to request service or these kits that you see right next to us through the link below. Within each kit, you'll have instructions to assist you with sending these back to us. But in each kit, they include 2 bottles. That one will be for the rich glycol and one will be for the lean. You fill out the information on the top and you send it right back to Croft's headquarters right here in Needville, Texas.
And once we get these samples in, our engineering department will take it to our lab and do analysis of the composition, where they can tell you certain things like the high chlorides or high hydrocarbons, send you a report of any recommendations that we might have.
Yes, sir. And these kits come and you can purchase them in 2 for all the one-off applications that you're trying to test one TEG, or you can purchase multiple in our 12-pack.
So Sarah, let's go over some frequently asked questions. What all is included in the glycol analysis service program?
Yes, sir, of course. So everything you see here will be included, including the sample jars, as well as a lab analysis fee and the engineering report that comes additional within the cost.
So how long should our clients expect a turnaround for the report?
Well, this can fluctuate depending on the workload or any specifics in the scope of work, but it usually will take around 2 to 3 weeks for Croft to be able to get the report back over to the clients.
So on the report, does Croft offer any recommendations with filters or chemicals?
Yes, sir. Our expert technicians are very knowledgeable over most major manufacturers and designs, and Croft can install any necessary changes to get your glycol to peak performance.
One of our more popular questions, how many samples can Croft do?
Yes, sir. We offer a variety of ways that we can offer our 2-pack, which is usually for those one-off spot checks, as well as we can offer our 12-pack that you can get on a more regular maintenance service if you are requesting that either you or a Croft technician can regularly pull.
So how often does Croft recommend taking a glycol sample in their TEG unit?
Yes, sir. We recommend testing it almost quarterly in quarterly intervals to have a good benchmark over the glycol quality, and it should be taken anytime that you do experience an upset.
That's a good point. And an upset, we consider any kind of carryover of chemical, oil, salt water, just to make sure there's no further issues that you cannot see. But thank you, Sarah, for joining us today. If you have any questions over our glycol analysis sample program, please go to croftsystems.net or click the links below. Hope to see you soon.